The next illustration, this is for the finance lease, the perspective of the lessee. So, lessee meaning uh, kita ang nag-rent, no? Kita ang nag-rent. And in this case, the transfer of ownership na transfer of ownership daw sa uh, sa property nga to ang gil na lease. So in this illustration, on January 1, no, si kita naglista sa machine nga katong machine na useful life for the 4 years. Now, ang lease term pod is 4 years. So, meaning, so sa atuan na gid ba na transfer of ownership kay manaragod kita gid naggamit sa machine for its whole, no, whole useful life for 4 years ra, and then 4 years po ang term sa to ang lease term. So pag nakuha na nga ato agyod ang machine, and naman po na sa to ang na diri sa paggamit sa finance lease, no, when nato gamiton ng finance lease if sa to, no, if the lease term is for a major part of the economic life of the asset, 75% of its economic life, no, kung gamiton nato siya, no, 75% of its economic life. So nasa ato di ba? So meaning, no, na transfer of ownership. So if nga na, of course, atong gamiton na pag depreciate, no, always the useful life, not the lease term, kasi again na transfer of ownership. So how to get the ato sa annual rental payment, no, 50,000 payable at the end of the year. So pagkuha ni sa PV is of course ordinary annuity since payable at the end of each year. Okay. So ordinary annuity, no? Every year ka magbayad, and at the end pagyan every December 31 every year. So meaning PV of ordinary annuity. Now the lease provides for the transfer of ownership at the end of the lease term. Now the rate implicit in the lease is 12%. So gikuha na niya, gikuha siya nang nagkuha sa PV ordinary annuity at 12%, which is 3.0373. So how to get the right of use asset or the less and the less liability? So present value lang sa annual rental, which is 50,000, times the PV of ordinary annuity, which is kani, and that will be our right of use asset na amount, and its corresponding na account will be less liability since utang ganin siya, di ba, nga need na to bayaran. So that will be 151,865. Okay, so mura to siya, no, mura to siya. Now for December 31, na depreciation, of course, every year na depreciation. So straight line lang, no, straight line method, for years, useful life 4 years, so 4 years ito gamiton. Now dili less term, although ang less term is 4 years pod. So pero kailangan nag-base lang gid ta gani to its useful life. So 151,865 divided by 4, so that will be our depreciation expense for this year. Now, di ba, every year nagbayad ta og annual rent, which is 50,000, as we can see. Now, lisod man pod, no, nga walay interest, nam gina interest. Agad implicit, no, implicit ang interest. Meaning, walay direct nga interest, pero nasa interest yun, no? Indirectly, like wala gistorya nga na siya interest, pero naging na interest permente, tanan utang na interest. Okay, so that's why, no, magbatag amortization table. So same, no, kanina this is the payment, as we can see, this is the payment, this is the interest expense, and this is the principal, no. So karon i-amortize nato ang less liability nato. So to get, no, ang present value, which is 151,865, times sa 12%, so that will be our interest expense na 18,224. And then pay tao na to ang principal, no, or pila ang nawala sa ato ang less liability. So para makuha na to na, of course, ato ang payment nga 50,000 minus the interest expense equals the less liability. So kanang less liability munang nakuha sa ato ang less liability. Okay. So para pag-record ani, no, of course, pod may para may waan mo ang carrying amount, no, makuha mo ang carrying amount, so minus lang nimo na gani no, minus ang 151, so that will be our present value, no, of our another less, no, liability for our, yeah, na sakto ana ra gyud because sakto lagi. No, kung ato pag-record na po dayon ani, of course, debit ato interest expense, no, expense for this year, bilang expense, bilang nawala nga less liability, and pila gyud atong gibayad. No, pila gyud atong gibayad this year, which is 50,000. No, this is this fixed nga 50,000 since no 50,000 again implicit ra ang interest rate, no, implicit siya, wala siya directly nga ingon nga nay interest pero nagid na siya interest. So, kailangan kita mag-record permente sa interest expense. Although implicit lang gid siya. Ang atong gibayad ra gid is 50,000 pero sa 50,000 na ay interest na ang atong gibayaran, which is ang 18,224 for this year. And then na 31,777. Now, kung sa pagtanon ka pilang carrying amount sa right of use asset. So, dali ra no? Dali ra kayo. Kadi lang kuan, carrying amount, pila ang amount sa right of use asset minus the depreciation. So, ang depreciation is 37,966 kung inyo nakuha no, morning makuha mo na siya. No, pautanon ka kanus pila ang less liability, current person, pilang current person. So again, di ba, 1 year for the kuan. Since karon example, December 31, 2025. So ang current person until December 31, 2026. And the next year, ang part lang ato sa less liability is only 35,589 mo nang 35,589 ang current person sa less liability. So, kani ang 39,860 and 44,640 this is 2027 and 2028. So, these are non-current person. So, i-plus lang nato na mo ng non-current person. Okay. So, mo na to.